Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to discuss about the problem related to applications of trigonometry. From the top of a 7-meter building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So they have given from the top of a 7-meter building. So let us draw a building of 7-meter height. 7-meter building. The angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means when we look up head, when we raise our head, that angle, correct? So that angle of elevation from the top of a cable tower. So let us draw a cable tower of a height, something we don't know, we have to find it. Cable tower is 60 degrees. So angle is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot. So angle of depression for its foot of the tower, that is 45 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. So let us name this. Sorry, this is ground. This should be straight. Okay. So let us name AB with the height of the building, that is 7 meter, and CD. CD will be the height of the tower that we don't know. We have to find out this, and they have given the angles here, correct? First, let us draw a line BC which is parallel to AE, let us name AE. Let us draw a line. We have draw here a line which is parallel to BC. Let us name it as AE. If we want to find the angles, we have to find the angle of this angle C. For this, let us use the property that is alternate interior angles. So what it will becomes, if it is here 45 degree, then here also 45 degree. So we can use the formula that is tan 45 degree, which is equal to tan theta, means that is nothing but opposite divided by adjacent. For this 45 degree, opposite side, that is AB, and adjacent side, that is BC. So that's why tan 45 degree means the value is 1, which is equal to AB. AB they have given, that is 7, and divided by BC. Divided by BC. So it implies BC is equal to 7. So the distance between the tower, cable tower, and the building, that is 7 meter. We have found out. Next, if this is parallel to this, for this rectangle, this is rectangle, correct? AEBC is a rectangle. If BC is one side, and which is equal to AE, correct? So if BC is 7 meter, then AE also 7 meter. So that's why we can write it as tan 60 degree is equal to, for this angle 60 degree, opposite side is nothing but DE divided by adjacent side, that is AE. Tan 60 degree means 3 is equal to DE divided by AE. We have found out, correct? BC is equal to AE, correct? BC is equal to AE. That's why it is 7. So DE is equal to 7 into root 3, that is 7 root 3 meter. So what is the height of the cable tower? That is DC. DC is equal to DC is equal to DE plus EC. So DE we have found out, that is 7 root 3 plus EC is nothing but is equal to the height of the building, that is 7 meter. So 7 meter. So 7 is common. Let us take 7 outside. Remaining root 3 plus 1. So height of the tower DE is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.